What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the brand new OnePlus 7 Pro. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our way to the box. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Go beyond speed. On the back side, it gives you all the information that it is LTE capable, quad-core Snapdragon 855 with a 2K display, 3 cameras, and 4,000 milliamp battery. I could say the battery is definitely a plus. So inside the box, you'll get this cover right here, which will come with your instructions manual. So let's just go ahead and put the phone aside and let's see what's in this one right here. You do get a case by default, so this case here is a clear case. It is of good quality. It's pretty thick. I could say that this would, help protect your phone. Okay, and in here is your manual and instructions. Then you have your SIM pin. And I have T-Mobile, so T-Mobile has provided me with a SIM card. This is the micro SIM card. And here is your welcome start guide. This is basically telling you everything about the OnePlus 7, how to set it up, what the functions of the buttons, the camera. And right here is your terms of service or conditions. One side is English, one other side is Spanish. Then you get your OnePlus 7 Never Settle. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the phone out, move it to the side, and I'm going to show you the accessories it comes with. This is the super fast charging cable. It should charge your phone up in 20 minutes. This is a very good size. Kind of a little bit bulky, but 20 minutes you can't complain. And right here is your charging cable. This is really packed and snugged in here. And this is the standard C-type cable, which matches the box. So now the best part, let's make our way to the phone, where this little cover says Never Settle. On the back, as you can see, you have your 3 cameras and your flash. This beautiful display. This is the Nebula Blue. My carrier only carries the 2 colors, Nebula Blue and then the black. There's the 3 cameras and the flash. And as you can see how nice this display is, here up at the top is your selfie camera. Then you'll make your way to your left-hand side. This is your volume up and down rocker. On the bottom, you have your SIM card slot, your speaker, your microphone, and your charging port. Right here at the right, you have your, which is silent up, ring is down. The middle is your vibrate, and there's your power button. So I've already went ahead and set this up so I can show you what this phone looks like. It's asking me for screen gestures. I'm just going to go ahead and skip that. I just wanted to show you how beautiful the screen looks. And of course, we're going to keep it on vivid. Now it goes to the wonderful Wizard of Oz. And it's going to ask you which you like. I'm going to go ahead and go with the OnePlus recommended. And as you can see, this display is very beautiful. I mean, it's quick response. Some of the apps are not set the way I'd like, but I just changed the launcher so it actually looks a lot better. And this is so beautiful. I mean, look at full screen, 6.5 inch, beautiful looking. So now let's go ahead and test out the camera. It's going to ask for some permissions. We're just going to go ahead and bypass that. So let's just go ahead and get a random object. And let's take a picture and then we'll take a video. And as you can see, it's going to ask to access the media, allow. And the quality on this picture is very beautiful. So now let's go ahead and try a video. You have other settings in here. So let's just go ahead and take a quick video of the box. OnePlus 7. Alright, so now let's go ahead and play it. You can see that it is 4K quality. It's going to ask for full screen view. Got it. I would definitely say that this is a very nice phone. I did find some hiccups and some issues with it, but the way this phone is, that does not bother me. You can see the display is very beautiful. It's very responsive, very quick, very pleasing to the eyes. If you're interested in this phone, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.